So just back at Marcle Steam Rally, I thought I'd come out and take a look around some of the trucks. This is quite cool, but it's a little bit early for Halloween. But yeah, so I'll look around the HGV display list here. They are spread out a little bit, but FR6 little ballast truck. Tremaines Atkinson's. Leyland Boxer. Cottrells, if you're familiar with Gloucestershire and the Forest of Dean, you'll remember that company. Lovely folding half cab coach. OD series. Dennis is quite a rare one. I think it's in that one at a few of the events recently. Old Leyland Comet. Another regular at this show is that MAN diesel tractor. Two Cirrus Scani. EC11 Select 4x2. I think that's the auto to Select. I ain't entirely sure. See, it's quite a big field of trucks. Try to squeeze under the fence in a minute. There we go. The Rover Atkinson. Gammons Transport Hereford A series. Lovely restored Bedford. Mark 1 Transit Custom. B series or C series you are? S series or 4000s photo. I've had a few comments about this one before. This little standard, I think it is, pickup. It's definitely an S series. Ex-US Air Force GMC cab over. Kenworth's a fairly new one for me. I've not seen that at any of the shows before. Range Rover Classics, regulars here most years. Lovely restored S7. That was at the Teddington Steel Boys Night. Mark 3 Transit. Proper bit of kit, this is. Scammo Crusader heavy haulage unit. Classic Foden timber tractor. Temp trader. Again, 4000 series Foden. Oh, this one is quite rare. And it's been restored, and it's a Rocket Sinclair. To show you inside. And there's not many of these old Mercedes like this around anymore. And you scoot across there. That's a Scania. Trader. I think that AEC is one of the oldest known. Another restored Mark 1 Transit. Don't touch me, I'm not that kind of pickup. So I'll walk across. So that was Sadaki 401. Mid steer. Big J4 guy. It's 4x2. Guyata. Talking to the chap that owns these few ERS, I blocked them a few years back. Then they restore them. D series is a local one. And someone snuck in a 4 Series Scania. No one throwing a van in with it, but you don't see many Mark II Transits about nowadays either. There is a couple of them here today. There you go, short wheelbase. And they got a little BSA Phantom for sale there as well, with their classic caravan. Now I'm doing these in sections a little bit. That is a classic standard 7 underweight pickup truck. And again, well, as with all standards now, they're getting increasingly rare. That would make a lovely classic work truck for someone. So here we go again. The trucks are a little bit spread out. This is the Revs stand, which is the RF Owners Club or enthusiasts. The Roberts ECX has recently been put back on the road after having a little bit of restoration work. It's one I used to see regularly up and down the M50. But management are retired. So just pop round the corner and there's another row. There we go. And paramedic stand if anyone's ill. And you've got Revs, ERF stand. DNF Coleman's from over Cinderford. I believe that one was ex-Richard Reed's when he used to do heavy rescue. Bit off scoot with the camera there. Right, there is all trade stands here and different things as well. Let me just show you this. Another restored classic ERF. Not sure. Sorry, a lot of me walking around and not a lot happening. You can see what I'm going to show you next. Classic Fairground. It's the cider truck with the bar behind it. It's quite cool. So yeah, they got a bit of tractor pulling going on here as well. So I was going to show you this restored 310 Mercedes chassis cab. That's one way of giving your tractor a clear out, wasn't it? But yeah, we've got a few more classic commercials up here. That's what I was walking up this way to show you.
That's when you stand there, if you've got a decent enough cigar that you can buy you, light the cigar off the top of it. Not big sure.
There you go, there's a few more commercials. They are fairly spread out.
The operation now, he's actually come out to play. He's Crockett on his own puller, Crockett. How many times I did a pull on?
So yeah, this is further out the back. It's like a tractor pull-in and camping area. Classic Free Service 360. It looks like he's seen better days, but it's still working. So this is Roberts' other ECX. Used to be very familiar seeing these up and down the M50. These sound fantastic. But they had a Cummins red and black one as well, but that one went over to Ireland. But that's it for the trucks at Much Marcle Steam Rally for this year anyway. So hope you enjoyed the video, and give us a like and share and subscribe and whatever, and catch you next time.